Welcome to the Healthy Vegan Show. I'm back, guys. How are you guys doing today? As you can see, I cut all my hair off on one side. Thing is, I got tired of doing all this hair. This is a lot of hair to do. So, I hope you guys like it. Anyways, today, I'm going to be roasting peppers and mushrooms, and I'm going to be doing one more thing, but that's going to be a surprise bonus. I'll show you that next. But these peppers are sweet peppers. I'm going to be using the cherry tomatoes, which are really sweet. Everything's going to be good. Now this here, a lot of people know this as my sun-dried tomatoes. It's in my garlic oil. If you bought this, you can use the tomatoes to make sauce, but you can also use the mock garlic oil too. See all that good color? All right, so I'm gonna put these in here. All right, and put a little more of this in here for these. Now these are so good. They have a chicken flavor. Yeah, that's good enough. I love these stuffing mushrooms. The thing about these is you can shred them. I didn't know that. Check this out. And they're organic stuffing mushrooms, just basic organic stuffing mushrooms. They taste like chicken. So I'm gonna put this in here. Just cleaning that off. I've already shredded some. You know how they shred the big trumpet mushrooms? The big ones? Well, those have caps too. Those are basically stems. They mainly just sell the big stem of it. But this right here is the stem from here. It's smaller, but it can still be shredded. And so you get a fork. This is the same way you do the big mushrooms, the big trumpet ones. I think they have another name too. But you go ahead and do that. Just shred them. You can make sloppy joes, taco meat, whatever. But I've shredded 4 of them so far. I love my mushrooms. Okay. So now you just want to drizzle some more oil. And now. Okay. And I like to season it with my garlic, salt. Let me set this over here. A little room. Okay, so I'm gonna start out with some. This is the cheddar Parmesan, not the regular, but the cheddar Parmesan. Put some of that in there. This looks like about a half a cup that I have. I don't know if I'm going to use it all, but yeah. These mushrooms are really good. They taste like chicken. Okay. Alright. So then you want to put some juicy cherry tomatoes in there. Keeping it sweet. I'm going to roast these on 350 for probably an hour. I'm gonna put the lid on though. Okay. Got some yellow ones. These are so good. You can just put a little of my mock Italian dressing on there and eat these. They're delicious. Okay, a little more of that in there. I love food so much. Okay, now I have some shallots over here. And I'm going to sprinkle these in here. Try to hurry up. Get this in the oven. Alright, guys. Shallots to me taste like a little bit like garlic and onion mixed. Okay, that's it. So I'll be right back with my other bonus item that I'm gonna cook. So I'm gonna situate this, but I'm gonna put the lid on like so, and I'm gonna put that in the oven and let that cook on 350 for maybe an hour. So see you guys. I'm gonna show you when it comes out. See you guys in a little bit. Bye-bye. Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so while you were gone, what I did was I got those shredded mushrooms and I grilled them till they were brown like that, and I seasoned them with this this is my garlic, but I seasoned them with the Greek pepper salt, and that has a really earthy mushroom flavor. So these are nice and crispy, and they're good like that, and they taste just like chicken, I'm telling you. But you have to put some seasoning on them too so they can have some good flavor. Then the rest, the little bit rest that was left, all I did was put some more of that Greek pepper on here. I put a little agave for a little sweetness, and some of my homemade tomato sauce, which is just Roma tomatoes blended with my garlic oil. And this is more like a sloppy Joe. So you can use this for like a chicken taco or something. It's really good. It doesn't even taste like mushroom. It tastes like chicken. But this is also good. It has a great flavor. Okay, so this is what's next. This is my bonus. I stole this from my big brother in cooking, Carl Foster. He makes a holiday turkey, roasted turkey. And so I'm trying to do it too. This is just portobello mushroom. Slice off the first layer of the top and then slice the rest, and it looks like turkey. So what I did was I seasoned this, well, I marinated for 1 day in fresh key lime juice, and I used onion powder, and I used just some grapeseed oil. I marinated that for a day, and then I took it out and I sprinkled the Greek pepper salt, because that's really earthy and it's really good with mushroom. Now what I'm going to do is put a little more oregano around it, and I'm going to put it in the oven and roast it. I've never made this before, so I want to see how it comes out. But it looks just like roasted turkey. So I'm going to put this in the oven on 350. I don't know how long it's going to take, but let's see, guys. And I'm going to put a little more garlic oil over the top, just to give it some added flavor. All right, guys, so I'll show you this when it's done too. See you guys in a little bit. Bye. Hi, everybody. Welcome back. Everything's ready, but first, these are some of the ingredients I used. A lot of people want to know where I get them from. These are on the website, and I'll put the information at the bottom. It's thehealthyveganshow.com, but I'll put the information, the link where you can just go right to it. This is the mock cheddar Parmesan. It's not real cheddar cheese, but it tastes like mock cheddar, like cheddar cheese. And then this is the Greek pepper. I keep saying it's really earthy. It has a nice mushroom earthy taste, and it goes well with fried mushrooms and all different kinds of mushrooms. It makes things taste more like meat, but it's really good. And this is the mock garlic. Everybody loves this. Is my biggest seller. Everybody loves that. And then the mock garlic oil is the next one that's come up. But this is the sun-dried tomatoes. I have filled this up with mock garlic oil. I use most of it today though, cooking. So that's sun-dried tomatoes, and you can use that in tomato sauce. It'll make it kind of thicker, especially if you're cooking raw food. It'll make it look like a real tomato sauce, like it's been cooked. Now these are the peppers, and I'm gonna plate everything up. These peppers and the mushrooms, they look so cheesy and so good. So I'm gonna scoop out a nice one. Put that on the plate. Okay. And get some more of this. One of these mushrooms. I can't help it. I'm gonna have to get some of this juice too. It looks so good. Look at all this good juice. Okay. All right. So this is the roasted turkey. Let's see what we have here. That looks delicious. Wow, I can't believe how good it looks. I'm gonna grab 2 pieces. Wow, look at that. Wow, that looks just like turkey. So you know I'm gonna try it. I didn't have a fork. I forgot to bring one. Let me try it. All right, guys, welcome back. I had to go get me a knife so I can try out this pepper and mushroom. This looks so good. Oh, look how juicy it is. Oh, wow. Look at that cheese. That's the mock cheddar parmesan. Let me cut a piece of that. And I'm gonna cut a piece of this too. Look at that. Oh, wow. That cheese looks so good. I'm gonna put some in here too. It's so nice and tender. But that turkey, wow. Thanks, Crush Foster. Thanks, Carl. That was delicious. And it tastes so good and roasted. It's just so flavorful and hearty. It's a perfect Thanksgiving dish, a Thanksgiving like fake meat. But anyways, look at that. That looks so juicy and good. Let me taste it. It's tangy, it's good. I'm gonna try this mushroom. It's tender. This is really good. Oh, and the cheese. It tastes like the macaroni cheese. It's good. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm finished chewing. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with some more videos. Rate, comment, subscribe. Now I'm gonna put the website so you can order some seasonings at the bottom. And I'm gonna put my page with all my recipes too. So have a great night and eat healthy at every turn. Bye now.